Tension boiled over in St. Elizabeth this morning after the fatal shooting of a man said to be mentally ill. Angry residents blocked the main road demanding answers and justice. Sandy Williams reports.
Pedestrians and motorists were not the only ones lining the main road in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth Monday morning. Boulders, debris, even downed trees sprawled defiantly across the roadway. Hurricane Melissa was not to blame. Instead, a community's anger laid bare. Placards in hand and voices raised, residents made their message clear.
We need justice or we need it. No.
Justice for Alonzo Brooks, killed during a police encounter. Details surrounding the shooting remain unclear. But TVJ News understands a medical team accompanied by police went to Brooks's home to administer medication as he reportedly struggled with mental illness. Residents say the situation escalated. It is alleged Brooks came outside with a machete and was shot by one of the officers. He was rushed to hospital by police where he was pronounced dead.
It is a sad occasion this morning of the incident that took place and have the last of a person with unsound mind. There must be another way for police to deal with people with unsound mind. It can't be just come and bam bam.
Councillor for the Mayorsville Division, Leighton Smith, says the system is failing vulnerable residents.
If a person with unsound mind acting up and you go to the police said it is Minister of Labour and Minister of Health. And if you go to Minister of Health said it's the police. And we have been saying it over and over.
Residents insist Mr. Brooks did not deserve to die.
What happened to Alonzo Brooks right here is gross injustice. He did not deserve to go down like this. He was a decent citizen, a hard worker. He was a son, he was a father, he was a husband, and a good citizen of this Jamaica island where we live, country where we live in. Create this injustice, and this we need justice. We need justice. We need an end to our police brutality.
Emotions spilled into the streets as neighbors struggled to process the killing.
Oh, Jesus, I feel it to me bone. We know that the wicked act and that they do to him. Shoot him in the horse. Oh, mighty God. Oh, God, we want justice.
Member of Parliament for Northwest St. Elizabeth, Andrew Morris, says frustrations have been building.
So they are very upset, they are angry, and they are taking their frustrations to the street. There has been 2 shootings in recent time, and we're very uncomfortable about it.
Still, he urged calm.
I'm appealing to them to desist from blocking the road because persons need to move to their different locations. The children need to get to school.
But on the ground, emotions remained raw.
I'm tired of police them. Night, day.
It mean you come give the man an injection and you shoot him in the belly instead of shooting him in the foot, slow him down. Since you say he have something, you shoot him in the foot, so you slow him down. And right now we want justice, I want to tap until we get justice to him.
After hours of tension and traffic disruption, police eventually moved in and cleared the blockage, restoring access along the busy thoroughfare. Investigations into the fatal shooting are ongoing. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
And our news center has been informed that the police officer involved in the shooting has been taken off frontline duty. Personnel from the Independent Commission of Investigations were back on the scene this evening as part of ongoing investigations. And tensions are also easing following a meeting between residents, their MP, and other stakeholders.